The best time to clean your stinky trash can is just after the garbage truck has emptied its yucky contents. Decide if you'll be washing your bins in the backyard or driveway. Avoid washing bins where children play and pets frequent because that area will be full of nasty germs that they may drag indoors. I will be washing bins in the backyard. Here's a quick item checklist of things you will need for this job. You will need a long hose, a nozzle with multiple spray settings, some scrubbers and brushes, and use the cleaning products that you know works best for you. Use gloves and mask or any other safety equipment that will make this painful job easier for you. Pick a discreet, unkept spot in your yard to empty out the water from your bin, as it is toxic and can damage your lawn. So let's begin. Place your bin in position and open the lid. Generously pour in your cleaning product. We are using a natural detergent purchased in a store to break down the dirt. Be careful and follow labels if you are using any chemicals or degreasing products. A good tip here is to tilt your bin to make applying the cleaning solution more efficient. When adding your cleaning agent, try to get it on the walls of your bin too. This will help to loosen the grime to make scrubbing gunk off easier. You can pre-mix a solution in a sprayer to make it more convenient. Most cleaners need water to activate. So rinse down your bin, but stand at a safe distance or wear a mask as the spray gets everywhere and it is full of chemicals or worse, harmful bacteria and germs that you can breathe in. Once done, wait a few minutes for the cleaner to take effect and help loosen the grime. After waiting a few minutes, drag and empty the water and everything else yucky out of your bin. Now comes in the work. Reapply the cleaning solution and flick it all over. Use a light scrubber to rub the cleaner in. A small brush allows you to get into hard to reach places where dirt collects. Once again, wait. Allow the cleaner to seep in and work and loosen any gunk still stuck inside. And now, use a heavy-duty scrubber with a long handle to finish off the job. You will quickly find out that dirt and grime is hard to remove. Trying to clean a bin you really do not feel like being near or touching makes this chore a real pain. Turn your trash can over to make sure you can reach the dirt everywhere inside, including the bottom. And again, scrub the bin vigorously. Try to get to every spot inside. When done, wash the inside of your can thoroughly. Make sure to wash off all the soap. If it stays in, it will dry up into a good mess, and that will have waste matter stick to it and become hard to remove, especially if it's at the bottom of the can again. Pause. Look for any spots that may require extra cleaning. like this one here, which seems a little tougher to remove. Change the water nozzle from spray to high pressure to clean out any stubborn gunk. On average, about 100 liters of water is used when washing out a single trash can. Focus the jet spray on the problem areas and wash out any stains you see. Try to get to it all, as any mess left over can create a stink. Disinfect and clean the lid too. Tilt your bins to empty out all the water. You're almost done. Finally, wash the outside of your bins too and place your bins in the sun to dry off. Deodorize the insides with an antibacterial spray as a final touch to make them smell good. You will see that even after all the effort and scrubbing, some stains are just harder to remove, including the spot we seen earlier and use the jet spray on. You can crawl into your bin to scrub it away, but for me, that's good enough. Why? Because now I'm going to show you how to keep your trash can clean and sparkling without washing, wasting water, using any chemicals or cleaning products. In fact, it's so easy, you do nothing and get a clean bin every time.